Hey guys, hope all is well. I wanted to go over a question with y'all that's going to come up in the Delta Math assignments. And this is tying in similarity and using similarity to help find a missing side length, right? So we've been doing a lot of work with similarity. You guys have been amazing. Let's keep that going. This critical thinking that comes up in similarity will come up again in some fashion when you get older, when you take other math courses and things of that nature, right? So critical thinking, reasoning through a question is critical, all right? So let's keep that going. So with that said, let's go through this question. They said triangle RTS. Well, where's triangle RTS? That's this big triangle. So let's draw that. And obviously you can finish reading the question before you draw it, but either way it's fine. Triangle RTS is shown below. Point U is on ST, okay? U is on this line. And V is on RT, V is on this line, okay? VU is drawn perpendicular to hypotenuse RT. Basically what that means, it creates a 90-degree angle. That's why you see a 90-degree angle right here, okay? Perpendicular means that it forms a 90-degree angle. That's one of the interpretations of perpendicular. If UV is equal to 35. Notice that there's another triangle here, triangle VUT. So let's draw that separately as well. Just to kind of zoom in on both of these triangles without them being inside each other, right? And whenever the triangles are overlapping like this, please draw them separately. I think it'll make your life easier. So this is 35. ST is 78. VT is 30. And RS we are looking for. So let's call that X. All right. So with that said, let's go ahead and actually set up or write a similarity statement. But I want you to pause this video, or it should be paused for you at this point, and I want you to try to write a similarity statement. So go for it. Okay, so you guys should have written the following. So you should have written triangle RST. And forgive me, you could have written this in a different order. You could have written TSR, you could have written SRT. It's fine. But you have to make sure the other one makes sense. So triangle RST is similar. Make sure you're using this correct symbol, y'all. Some of you have been making this mistake and using a congruent symbol. We're talking about similarity, so this means similar. All right. So triangle RST is similar. All right. It's similar to triangle R is congruent to which angle? So far, that may not be clear. So let's look at another angle. S is congruent to U. So we can write that. S is congruent to angle U. So angle S is congruent to angle U. And notice they both have angle T in common in the original diagram. And if you disconnect them or separate them, they still have angle T in common. So we could write angle T is congruent to angle T. So at this point, since S is in the middle for the red triangle, S has to be in the middle for the other triangle. So I'm gonna erase that. 1 second. Let me just erase this. And I'm going to now write the other similarity statement. S is congruent to U, so that has to go in the middle. T is congruent to T, so that has to go at the end. So that means V has to go in the front. All right. And now you can now set up a proportion. So since we're looking for RS, we can do RS over VU. Why? Because those are the corresponding lines, right? And then you can do VU, I'm sorry, not VU, ST over UT. And now at this point, you just want to substitute the values and basically solve for X. All right. I have faith in you guys. If you have any questions, please reach out to me or Professor Mal or Professor LeBron. Have a great day.